and gentlemen, yeah, welcome back to my channel on cooking, everyone. Yeah, today I will show you guys about how to fry chicken leg and also fry it with garlic, everyone. If you guys want to see clearly about the food, so please continue to watch my video and don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more about the amazing food like this to show you for other video. But so now start to cook with me. Then we boil it maybe 5 minutes. Add a little bit salt, kalanga, and also cassava. Everyone, this menu we need to add a lot of garlic. This chili, cut it to be smaller like this. So now after 5 minutes later, yeah, we take the kitchen out the fire. Everyone, so now we fry our chicken. We add oil and then add our kitchen omelette. We fry it maybe 10 minutes. Bake it, everyone. Bake our leg of chicken. Cut our green onion. Cut it to be smaller like this. It's already cooked, everyone, so we take it out. But we take it to much ingredient again. Add oil, garlic, cook our garlic until it's so red, and then we try to add more ingredients. Add sugar, add some cheese, and then add fish sauce. Wow, our garlic it look like so red, everyone. oyster sauce. So now it's the time to add our chicken leg. Then merge it. Make it to be well of ingredient and also chicken leg. This menu we call chicken leg fried with garlic. Now it's nearly to be already cooked, so we add chili and also green onion on it. It smells so good, even though it's not yet already cooked. Everyone, can you guess about its taste? I think it's so yummy. It already cooked, everyone. Everyone, eat with me. Wow. The best. Wow. Really yummy and yummy, everyone. You can do follow my video from the start until the end. So now I think it is time to say goodbye. But before I say goodbye, everybody, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more the amazing food like this to show you more. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, and thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.